I especially love the way the sunsets look over the ocean. She especially enjoys reading mystery novels before bed. He especially likes to go hiking on the weekends. I especially enjoy spending time with my family during the holidays. She especially loves trying new restaurants and trying new foods. He especially enjoys playing sports and staying active. I especially love going to concerts and experiencing live music. She especially enjoys traveling and seeing new places. He especially likes to work on cars and fix things. I especially enjoy relaxing at the beach and soaking up the sun. She especially loves animals and volunteering at the animal shelter. He especially enjoys reading and learning new things. I especially love watching movies and TV shows in my free time. She especially enjoys practicing yoga and meditation. He especially likes to cook and try out new recipes. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.